Hi everybody, we're going to show you how we transplant our tomatoes when they're at this stage. What we had done prior to this is we started our seeds in a 6-pack, and we usually put in 3 seeds in each cell, which usually gives us 18 tomatoes. Thereabouts. They usually all germinate. Tomatoes are easy to grow. Once we go to that, we transplant them. We let them dry out a little bit, the soil, so they're easy to detangle. And then we put them in a 4-inch by 3-inch pot. And this gets fertilizer and worm casting when it goes to this stage. And then once they're beginning to outgrow those pots, which they are, we've got a 14-inch plant here. Some of our plants are almost 2 feet tall. Then we want to transplant into the 32-ounce BPA safe cup. We drilled holes in the bottom, not the very bottom, but the side bottom. And these are great because they don't take up a lot of room, but they give you that depth and just enough girth that the roots could spread. So we put just a little soil at the bottom because I want to maximize my depth for the stem, so the most amount of roots could grow out that stem. Because with tomatoes, they do grow out of the stem. That's why you see the little furs here. They're like little furry things. They'll grow out and become a very strong plant. So I'm just going to trim off these lower leaves, these lower stems. I'm going to check my dimension to see if I could take off this one. And no, it's a little too close, so I'm going to leave that one. I'm going to tip it over. And for some reason our Amish pastes are wimpy this year. Don't know why. They're going to have to get staked up till they get stronger. Now I'm pushing the soil in a little in the corners and on top. And that's creating space so that soil could get down all around the plant. So we don't have any air gaps. Air gaps are not good. I give it a really good shake and a good watering in. And I'm just going to add more soil as that's filtering out. And this is one of those containers you get the organic lettuces in. We save them because they're great for planting in. They're great for doing work like this. So now I'm going to add more water. I want to make sure it's thoroughly set. Doesn't want to drain out because I have too much water down in there. Make sure all the water comes out. Could top it off. And this one, it's so wimpy that I think I'm going to take the top off, head it up a little so it starts growing out this way and helps the root get the stem get more girth. I don't know, I think they might have reached for light at one point. It was a little uneven, our lighting, because some plants were tall, some were short, and we should have adjusted our light a little more. But they'll pick up. They'll be fine. And the other thing we do is we use blue masking tape so that we could easily just take that off. That's an Amish. And just stick it onto here. This one I'll stake up just until it gets stronger. And that's how we do it.